Welcome back to the Halftime Report. I'm Dominic Chu with your ETF Edge. Now, both the tech sector and defensive areas of the market are hitting record highs, but in opposite directions. Joining me now to explain why this is Todd Sohn, the technical strategist over at Strategas Securities. Todd, we're going to take a little bit of a look at that tech sector vis-a-vis all of the other ones out there. Just how out of whack has it gotten from a balance perspective with all the different components of the S&P 500?
Hey, Dom, great to speak with you. And you hit the nail on the head there. If you own a large cap blend fund like the S&P 500, if you own large cap growth, if you own thematic AI or even quality to some extent, your exposure to technology sector stocks is at an all-time high. Tech is 35% of the S&P 500. That's the highest we have in 50 years of data. Meanwhile, defensive sectors, staples, healthcare, utilities, and energy are at 19% of the S&P 500. That's a 35-year low. So investors' exposure to these tech names, as much as it's benefited us, right, is at an all-time high. I think you have to at least pay attention of what you own at this stage in the market.
And Todd, really quickly, how are some of the ways investors are tackling this imbalance?
Well, they're looking at alts, right? Gold, Bitcoin, and cash. I can get 4% on cash with no volatility. Gold is the best trend around the universe, around the investable universe for a bunch of different reasons. And then crypto. It's rare you have a new asset in the ETF spectrum. Investors are flocking to this space to get that exposure. And ideally, 2 out of 3 of these will at least be uncorrelated to the technology sector stocks. So it's a way to surround that tech exposure within a portfolio. Great trends. I think investors are going to continue to pile money into these alternative type assets going forward.
A lot more attention being paid to those correlations. Thank you very much, Todd. We are going to continue this conversation over at etfedge.cnbc.com. Todd's going to be joined by Gavin Fillmore, the Chief Revenue Officer over at ETF platform Tidal Financial Group. We'll talk about those levered ETFs, alts in general. Scott, I'll send things back over to you guys.